Hi everyone, this is Coral and I welcome you to World of Stories at Little Steps. For more stories, subscribe to the channel. Phonic sound for letter D. D says D. D makes only one sound, D. D sound words: drum, doll, dance, dragonfly, dinosaur. Story time. Dancing deers. Dim, Dan and Dop were deers who loved to dance. They danced on a big drum. On a daisy. On a dam. With a dog. Over a doodle. In front of a duck. On a dish. Dim, Dan and Dop did not want to stop their dance. But they were tired. They decided to take a dive in the pond. Dim, Dan and Dop were all wet. Now they must wait in the sun until they dry. Do you want to drink some water? Asked a dragon. Dim, Dan and Dop drank water and danced back to their home in a dense forest.